Marvada. Hi, good afternoon. Today I have three students, Harvard students from Harvard Kennedy School and Harvard School who are here with Agastya International Foundation for doing the internship program as part of their academics curriculum. You know, about say 6-7 months back, we approached Harvard Kennedy School for the students who are doing their masters and also the students who are undergraduates to come to Agastya and do internship. So under CID stands for Center for International, what is that CID? I forgot it. Center for
International development.
Center for Innovation Center for International Development. You have to cut it. Under that, masters like the students who are doing MBA and undergraduates who can are expected to do 2 months of internship. So under that, so about 15 students were shortlisted, and then upon interview and then selection process and the requirement of Agastya, we in fact selected 6 students. So out of that, 5 students joined our organization in the month of June, first week, and they are here today. They are about to complete their projects. They were based out of our HO, and one is our Anmol Rathod. She is doing her masters, and she is working on a project called SROI, Social Return on Investment. Yeah, I would like to understand from each one of them on their experience with Agastya and the kind of social service Agastya which is doing, the kind of impact they have towards them. Yeah, all that I would like to understand. I am very curious to know about that. Anmol, yeah, your first impression on Agastya.
One word would be incredible. I think the vastness of the not just the projects, but the campus, the impact, all of that is unbelievably large. So that's definitely one thing which strikes. Apart from that, literally this they built a literal forest out of a barren land. That's something that strikes out as one of the first impressions of this place.
Okay, great, thank
Yeah.
you. Yeah, so second one I am coming to Grace Kim. She is an undergraduate. She is doing a project on sustainability, net zero. No, we want to, at some point of time, Agastya wants to see ourselves as a net zero organization. Yeah, so I would like to understand from her the first impression on Agastya.
Yeah, I completely second what Anmol said, and I think that everyone at Agastya has been extremely hospitable to us. The community here is outstanding, and I also think that Agastya's mission is incredible. Like as you said, seeing the students here and seeing how bright and innovative they are is really inspiring even for us. And just seeing the reach of Agastya, not even just in Kupang and Bangalore, but also in like nearby villages or villages that are 40 kilometers away. It's great to see that Agastya is reaching those students and helping economically underserved students.
Okay, great, wonderful. Yeah, coming to our Griffin Wong, he's he's a very dynamic guy and very I mean very active. So he keeps traveling every weekend. Yeah. So I would like to understand from his own his first impression on Agastya.
Yeah. Um, I think as you alluded to, I am a little bit of a hectic, not always the most detail oriented person, and so I appreciate how detail oriented Augustia is and always thinking 1, 2, 3 steps ahead about how to reach the next underserved group of people, and all the innovative solutions that are taken. I think the creativity that is a core of the Augustia mission really shines through in everything that we do to help reach um, new communities and communities who face challenges, having empathy to those challenges, and working to provide an education and provide curiosity within the context of those challenges um, is definitely something that I don't see every other organization doing. So one of the good things about being branding communications is being able to not only understand Agastya very well, but also understand some of our competitors. And I think where we differ is the breadth of our programs and how each of them is tailored to a specific community and how each of them addresses a certain problem that different communities face.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Griffin. Yeah. Coming back to Anmol once again. Anmol is working. She is a graduate, a master graduate, working in Masters of Public Policy,
Right.
MPP. Yeah. So she is working on a very interesting and very ambitious project of Agastya called Social Return on Investment, SROI. You know, at some point of time, uh, you know, it could become a mandatory from all the NGOs to have SROI kind of a parameters. You know, to that extent, she and along with one more her friend, they are working together, but she is not around, the other friend today. Anmol, how did you go about the project and the kind of support you gathered from our organization, from the mentors? Can you put some insights on that?
Sure. So the project I'm working is called Social Return on Investment, and as the name probably alludes to, it basically wants us to basically is geared towards giving financial values to the outcomes and the impact Agastya is producing. Now, the vastness of this project is, I mean, endless. You can go to n number of lengths and breadths in understanding the kind of impact Agastya is making, but that also makes it super challenging to give a financial and the other kids. Having said that, if I had to do this project anywhere, I would choose it to be in Agastya because the kind of support we received from the senior managers, from the field staff, we interviewed over 40 kids, over 10 parents, and a couple of teachers in over 3 districts in Karnataka, and were able to actually, for ourselves, see the kind of impact that their work has been creating at the ground. And I really support the kind of mentorship and help we received from all the people in Agastya, from the senior managers to the field coordinators, everyone.
Okay. So one more follow-up question I have. So you have left with another, say, I think 15 days or so.
Yeah.
By the time your internship period will come to closure. So how confident you are that you are able to deliver or going to deliver the objectives of the project?
Yeah. So SROI within itself is a problem which can take up to months or even years to actually fully complete and comprehend. However, I think we have come up to a very wholesome sort of we have a very good set of recommendations and frameworks that can be utilized in the future. In the span of 2 months itself, we think that we have done considerable amount of work given the vastness of it. Having said that, complete SROI projects, they can take up to years. So we definitely have a very good starting point. We definitely have a roadmap on what to do ahead. And with that, we have